What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Alex, and today is finally the day we're going to be lifting the truck. Oh yeah, pretty excited. But so first what we're going to do today is we're going to unload all our lift parts. We just picked it up today from the powder coaters, so it's all ready to go. And then we're just going to start taking apart all the stock stuff, and then tomorrow we're going to come back and actually start installing the lift. So yeah, let's go. I love this tool. So yeah, it is midnight now. We unpackaged the whole lift kit, took apart the whole front suspension, took all the stock stuff out, took out the differential, and yeah, we're ready to start cutting the cross member where the differential is going to go, put the drop down brackets for the differential, and start putting the lift in on the front. And then tomorrow, well, once we come back, we'll do the front first, then we'll do the rear. All right guys, we're back. So yesterday we took off all the suspension components, the stock ones on the front. Let me show you guys what this looks like. Oh yeah, everything's completely off. The differential's off, everything. So we're gonna have to cut this a little bit off this bracket, about 4 inches and a quarter, and then we can put the differential drop brackets on, and then we can put the differential back on. And then after that, everything should go pretty smoothly. Yeah. When you look at this, you kind of get a little nervous because this is a lot of parts that we have to install. Like, come on, where do all those bolts go? But one part at a time, and it's all gonna get done. Yeah, this color is just beautiful. Beautiful. All right, now you guys see what we're dealing with, what we have to do, and I'm gonna start cutting the differential, the bracket, and install the differential drop bracket. Alright, so I'm underneath the truck. I just cut off this is the lower control arm bracket pretty much, and I just cut off enough room, 4.25 inches to make room for the differential drop brackets. And actually Mcgauphys, So they actually provided a little block off plate to make it more stronger. So that's actually pretty sweet. All right, I haven't welded in like 5 years, but let's do this. What's up guys, and we're back. So the front is already all done, and now we're gonna do the rear. We're gonna screw the U-bolts, take the shocks off, and then put the blocks in there and the add a leaf. So the U-bolts are unscrewed. Nice. One shock out. One more to go. After you take out the U-bolts, you gotta unscrew the factory e-brake hook, this little bracket too, and then install the aftermarket ones. So yeah, so this extension bracket goes into the factory place. Use the factory hardware, and then the loop goes on the other bolts. This right here, this is the factory bracket, so this goes into the extension. Alright guys, so the lift is all done. We installed a lift kit. It took about 15 hours just working on it after work. Nothing really major. All the stock parts came off pretty easy. You know, if it didn't, I just put some PP blaster in there and it comes off fine. So I'm not going to show you guys what the truck looks like right now because we already shot a video with 509 films. It's going to be out in a couple days. That's going to be the actual official like truck reveal video. Be on the lookout for that video. That video is going to be awesome. But yeah, on this truck what we did today, what we just finished was a 9-inch Mcgauphys lift. We have the added leaf in the rear to give it 9 inches lift, and in the front we have the aftermarket torsion keys. So yeah, and then that's pretty much it. Stay tuned. You know, we have a lot more install videos coming, and yeah, it's getting windy. I'm gonna go back inside, but stay tuned, guys. Subscribe, like it, and then we'll see you guys next video. Man, it sounds good. It sounds good.